Hey, what's going on? It's James Lustre here, and today I bought a phone from eBay for only $1.55. I'm serious, guys. I'll show you the listing from eBay. I'll show you guys. As you can see, I bought this from Israel or something. As you can see, it's free shipping and $1.55, and that there were 4 bids and I won the bidding. So yeah, he told me the phone works, but I don't know, it still has the battery though, but he told me he told me in the messages. I will show you guys really quick. Here it is. I'm not gonna show you the name of the seller. He say, hey, last time it works was about 3 years ago and on the Israel network. I said, hey, I bought the item, does it work? And that's the phone. It says Alto, but it was from Israel network. I think it was Parlophone, I think. So yeah, so we're gonna unbox it right now. Whew, I'm very excited, and also I just unboxing my L770 right over there. It's charging right now. Yeah, very excited for that. So we're gonna unbox it. Let's get started. Sorry about my voice. Clearly on the school. Also, my mom actually got these 2 packages. So I appreciate Mom. Alright, let's just... Oh, another bubble wrap. Oh yeah. Oh wait, there's a letter. Wait, Alright. He told me that's my name. He said, message to James Lustre. Thanks for your purchase. We look forward to do business with you again on eBay. The Samsung, the thingy, the shipping. I'm not gonna show you guys. So yeah, thank you so much, seller. I think there's any more in the package. Right, nothing. That's all. We're gonna unboxing this thing. Just gonna remove the bubble wrap. This is the most important thing in the packaging, the bubble wrap. Clearly excited for this thing. Ooh. Right, just gonna put, alright, here's the Samsung I think it's an SCH-R500. That was not from Alto, that was from Israel network. Parlophone, yeah, he told me there's battery in this thing. I'm just gonna remove the battery or the case. Oh, sorry about that. Here's the battery. Oh, it has a battery. Nice. Let's see if it's charging. I think I have this charger. Oh wait, here's a charger. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna charge this thing if it works. So yeah. Wait, what? No, it does not turn on. So I'm just gonna charge this. I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the charger. So yeah, I just got the charger, same with the SCH-R500. Let's see if it fits perfectly. Wow, it works. I can't believe it. He told me it works. So yeah, he told me it was 3 years ago. It still works. Oh man. And it has a different language too. Let's turn it on. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the boot up. Looks cool though. Oh, pretty dog picture. That's cool. Has a different language though. Has no sounds. I'm just gonna turn on. Oh my god. I don't know what was the language of this thing. Wow. I don't understand. Which one was it? Help me, guys. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just gonna change the language. So yeah. Alright, I changed the language of the SCH-R500 thanks to my two YouTube friends. Tony's phone collection. This is the first guy I messaged to him to change the language, but this one is different though. I told him how to change language on the SCH-R500, but his carrier was Alto or something. Yeah, it's Alto, but it's actually on in the right side of it. So I really appreciate Tony's phone collection, but yours is different. But thank you so much for messaging quickly. And this is my second YouTube friend, Raid MX, or he returned on YouTube. So yeah, so he told me you can change it on in the left side. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna turn it on right now thanks to these two guys, but this is the real solution for how to change the language. Okay, how to change the language on the SCH-R500 on Israel. Okay, so it's on here. Tony's phone collection, it's different. It's on the right side, but here was on the display. So, and language. So here it is, number 6. Right there, number 6, language. So there were, I don't know what the languages are. I only knew Hebrew. So there's English. I can't even see right now because of the light. I can't even see it. Oh, here it is, English and Hebrew. So yeah, thanks to RainMX for finding the solution or finding how to change the language of the SCH-R500. Also, it works on the external display. Looks cool. So yeah, I have the white one. It's white, of course. So yeah. Also, I actually reset this phone. That was a different language. So I randomly go to the other settings or something. So yeah, and I try to go to this number 4, the security. It says user lock. So the password or the lock was very easy. It was 1234, and I changed it to 00, 4 zeros, and done. And also, I try to go to the YouTube video. I'm gonna show you guys. Just trying to search on YouTube the SCH-R500. Okay, I was trying to go to this video called Samsung Hue. This video, SCH-R500 erase cell phone info. Oh, sorry, but I clicked the wrong video. Here it is.
Hi there, Serena Allen here with the Taste Butler Program.
So this one is from Alto. So I was trying to go to the erase all entry, but this one is different from the Israel version. So this one says reset phone. When I click the 5, it says I don't know the language. I press it yes, and it resets itself. Oh my god. So I change the language after I reset this phone. Now it will fully work, and there's actually a picture of the seller or the previous owner. So yeah, okay, that's the update, or I changed the language and I fully resetted the SCH-R500. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more unboxing videos and tech videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys, and peace out.